Hello everyone, how are you? I have one question. Do you ever anything a mistake, any actions? Yes, not. I think we all say no, I didn't do any mistakes. I am sure if we are not Buddha, I'm sure we did a lot of mistakes every moment, every day. The problem is why we do mistake again. How to fix that just one word. Do you like to what are they now? Just to accept your mistake. If you accept your mistake, then you don't repeat again and again this same mistake, because you identify, you accept. Because we do mistake again, because we don't accept what we doing, what we done, what we mistakes. We say, I didn't do any wrong. I didn't mistake anything. I do my best. Yes, we do. We are best. But we are not Buddha. Even we think we did perfect, but we do a lot of mistakes. How you prove? Because we have a lot of challenges, solving again and again. It shows our action is mistake. Okay? Remember, the best way to fix the problem, just accept. Then automatically you don't do it anymore again. Okay?